In just over a year, the world has shifted. From lockdown rules to curfew, masks and sanitizing, a daily reality in every space. And now, with the vaccination rollout, there's a possibility of even more changes on the cards.
It is indeed a trend, somewhat of a trend rather, internationally, that vaccine passports and certificates are required for the purposes of accessing various goods or services or spaces. So in other words, the status of your COVID vaccination determines whether you are allowed into a certain space or can participate in a certain activity.
The World Health Organization currently does not recommend this path. However, this may be used as a means to curb the spread of COVID-19.
For as long as I believe that people feel that the COVID pandemic is still uncontrollable, or rather is still not at a level where it is contained, I believe we may see one or two businesses, clubs, sporting venues, etc., who may make it or want to make it a requirement that a vaccine status certificate or passport is produced.
We also want to look at opportunities to be able to open some of the sports activities where only the vaccinated people will be able to go, because we have seen it all over the world. When there are more people vaccinated, we can go and watch a Kaizer Chiefs Orlando Pirates game at FNB Stadium.
Gatekeeping according to one's vaccination status may be a violation of the Bill of Rights.
The natural problem with vaccine passports or vaccine certificates is that they readily create space for exclusion and discrimination, and may violate certain human rights, including the right to privacy.
But for some, it's the only way to accommodate a new reality.
Yes, people have a choice, but don't think selfishly just about yourself. Think about your family, the risk you pose to your family and the risk you pose to the community. So make the choice, but it must be a wise choice.
We do have a choice, the same way as restaurants have a choice to kick you out of the premises if you're not vaccinated. So I just think that even despite you having a choice to do it or not, just pick the best choice, then that will be, for everyone to be able to move forward.
Also give everybody else a peace of mind to know that everybody who's come into this establishment has taken the vaccine. And this is the way forward. This is what we're looking for to move forward.
While the choice to vaccinate or not is a personal one, the vaccination rollout is aimed to try curb the spread of COVID-19. Hasina Gori, SABC News, Johannesburg.